1x camera. So that's my present to myself for Christmas. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unbox this so you can look out what's inside. Okay, I bought this camera from the Apple shop. So this is a package, and this package comes in, let me get this right. Okay, this box comes as a package, so you get the box, the Insta 360 box, and you get all of the gadgets inside of the box, including, I'm pleased to say, 2 batteries, because the battery life is 40 minutes on this. You get a selfie stick, you get this pole here, which is another tripod, but you can put this on here and do something what's called the Insta Bullet. You get the camera, the 360 camera itself, and in this section here are the instruction manual, and then you get a little you get a little pouch for your camera. So this comes out and it holds your camera in it. Okay, and then you get some connectors for your phone, and this will connect to your iPhone and your Android phone. And you also get connectors for your regular computer, and that's that one there. So you get connectors for your regular computer. So that's what you get in the box, which I think is pretty neat. This is the Insta 360 camera. It's really nice actually. You can put this into the palm of your hand. You don't want to record it with this with the palm of your hand. And you get this rather nifty little tripod with it as well, which you can use for everything else that you use a tripod for. So this is quite nifty, but it also does a thing called the bullet. So you can spin this around and it does some really good things with this. And you also have this selfie stick, which is probably crucial to having an Insta 360. So you also get this really nifty little selfie stick, which is it's stuck. Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. So we're going to cut a bit of this out. So this is a really nifty selfie stick, which is useful when you're going out with your Insta, because to get the best Insta photographs 360, you should actually put it above your head. So it's really good. When you go to film, the SD card is in the bottom and the battery fits in the side, and they're kind of like GoPro batteries. So when you put the battery in, there's a little tip. That tip should be on the outside when you put it in the battery case. If you don't put it in that way, you'll never get it out. Within there as well, you get this little tripod, which is quite good actually. It's a bit plasticky, but it's quite useful, because if you take the top off, you've got a tripod there. And also what's quite useful with this little gadget as well is you have another tripod mount. So if you play cleverly, you could actually have 2 GoPros running off this with a little adapter. And what is also really good about this is this now will go on the end of your selfie stick right here. So this is what it's meant to do. It goes on the end of your selfie stick, and then you spin the selfie stick round, and this will spin as well. So you have a 360-degree view. It's called bullet time, and you can do bullet time on this, which is pretty cool. So you just stick your camera on. I think this is how you do it. I think you stick your camera on the end of it, and it does this thing. Oh, there, you stick your camera there, and it does this thing called bullet time, which I think is really neat. I don't know if I've got the gist of it yet, but that's what it does. Is it that away? It must be. Or is it? That wouldn't make any sense, would it? So it's not that, it's got to be that. It's got to be that. And then that goes Yeah, so that will go, that goes around your head like that. So it's a pretty good bit of kit. I will do a demo at some point for you all to watch my little demo, so please keep tuned for that. And yeah, so that's a quick review of the 360 Instagram camera. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to go out and test some footage with it at some point pretty soon. So thank you for watching. And yeah, the other thing I wanted to talk about for all my little photographer friends as well is I don't actually, when I go out photographing, I don't wear the camera standard neck strap. I don't like them. I don't like putting something over my neck like this and having it in front of me. It's not how I roll. I like this because it's a shoulder strap and it's got a support here. And what I do is I sling this over my shoulder like so, and I put my camera on the edge here. And I really think it's really cool when you get ready to take your camera out, because you literally lift your camera up from your side and you can put it on either side and it's ready to rock and roll. Anyway, that's the end of this little vlog today. Hopefully it's worked out all right, and I'm trying different lights to see how it goes. So I thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.